Parte de la tripulación deberá mantenerse cerca del sector de puertas.
Years ago is coming one big clan to Japan. In the area, the 7% of the people speak Japanese. Yeah, and of course the other 4% is fala Portuguese because Brazil is very close to here, Bolivia and Brazil. No, and for what in the main square, the Puerto Maldonado, of course you have opportunity for looking the main square in some minutes. In the middle is one clock with this singular form. Is one pagoda. This is one gift to the central government of Japan for the sun in the area. No? For example, my actual authority is Jose Otsuka. He's an engineer. Of course, the authority give you, or they try to complement the form of the mountain. Please watch out where you head. When the boat is stopped, everybody one by one, let's go to the reception area.
Listos.
Thank you.
I'm back today, right now. I know you're coming today. Okay, you know the plan for this afternoon? I'm back today, right now. I'll wait for you there. Okay. Yeah, Mr. Lark, see you. Okay. I'll see you in some minutes.
So now we're going to visit Cochita Cayman. Cocha is a small lagoon, a small lake, or like a small swamp. The Cayman is like alligator. Yes. It's only 1 kilometer to go there, and then we have a small plataforma. Plataforma we're going to watching the cayman or birds or maybe monkeys. Okay, and then we're going to back for different way, another 1 kilometer. All that together we're going to walk in 2 kilometers for now. Okay. This means in sand water there are fish, cayman, turtle, snail, crab. The cayman eat the fish. The favorite food is fish. What are you doing here? Come on, Matrei also.
How fast do we move in water?
Oh, it's fast. In the water it's faster than the cayman. You see cayman, anaconda, in rain season. Normally the normal temperature all the year is 38 or 40 all the year. Yes, also raining season, dry season, the temperature is the same. Yes, in May, June, July, August, sometimes change the weather. It's cold front. When it's cold front, this is a 5 degrees or 10. Very, very cold. Now it's okay, the swimming pool is now. And then we're going to go down river for 10 minutes by boat, only 10 minutes. And then we start walking to the jungle like this. Here is only 1 kilometer. Okay? This is this sky blue. This is natural channel. This is beautiful. This is a swamp area. Yeah, this is clear in the morning. Maybe we're going to see a bird or parrot or toucans. I don't know, or monkeys. It's for me it's difficult to read the weather. I say, oh, tomorrow we're going to see the sun. Sometimes you can see parrot or monkeys. Yes, we're going to go by boat here, following approximately here. And then again we're going to back the same for the same channel, like this. And then we're going to back walking, and then we're going to go like this. Okay, and here we have the boat. We're going to make a tour by boat in the Randa Lagoon. We're going to see also many birds. We're going to see many birds in the Randa Lagoon. Okay, after making tour in the Apupito Lake, we're going to back like this. We're going to coming back like this. Yes, another 2.5 kilometers. And all together, we're going to walk 5 kilometers. Yes. Okay?